Hi everyone, are you preparing to write CSEC Math this year? So follow me on TikTok and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. So let's finish up the June 2024 CSEC Math Paper 2 and we're on the last question in the section Vectors and Matrices, question number 10. So part A for 2 marks, we want to find the value of V. And we're given that the determinant of the matrix is 24. So, the determinant of a matrix, if I have a matrix A, B, C, D, then the determinant is equal to A times D minus B times C. So let's find the determinant in terms of V for this matrix. So if we look at the positions of A and D, A is 6, D is negative V, B is 2V, and C is negative 5. So we have 6 times negative V minus 2V times negative 5. So 6 times negative V is negative 6V. Minus and a minus on the other side gives plus, and then 2V times 5 is 10V. So we have negative 6V plus 10V, which will give 4V. And since they told us that the determinant is equal to 24, then 4V is equal to 24, therefore V is equal to 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 6. So that's an easy 2 marks. Let's go on to part B. The matrices L and M are defined as follows. L is 9, 5, 3, 2. M is 2, negative 4. We have to evaluate each of the following. Part 1, the matrix product LM, and this is worth 2 marks. So let's multiply L times M. So L is 9, 5, 3, 2, and M is 2, negative 4. So when we multiply matrices together, this first matrix L is a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix M is a 2 by 1 matrix. So it is compatible for multiplication because the number of columns in L is equal to the number of rows in M. So basically we multiply row 1 by column 1 and then row 2 by column 1. So this is the order of the multiplication. First we multiply 9 by 2 and then we add 5 times negative 4. So that will give us the first row of our product. Then we have 3 times 2 plus 2 by negative 4. So let's multiply. 9 2s are 18. 5 by negative 4 is negative 20. 3 2s are 6. And 2 by negative 4 is negative 8. So our final product, 8 plus negative 20, which is 8 minus 20, will be negative 2. And 6 plus negative 8, which is 6 take away 8, would be also negative 2. So the product LM is negative 2, negative 2. So last part, and I'll leave part C for another video. L inverse L to the power of negative 1, which is the inverse of L for 2 marks. So let's write down L. L was 9, 5, 3, 2. Okay, let me just double check that. Yes. So to find the inverse of a matrix, first we have to find the determinant. So the determinant of L will be 9 times 2 minus 5 times 3, which is 9 2s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 18 take away 15, so our determinant is 3. Next, we need to find the adjoint matrix for L. So L adjoint, what we do is we switch the 2 and the 9, so they switch positions. So we have this, and then the other two numbers, they stay in position, but they change sign. So it will be -5, -3. So finally, the inverse of L inverse, is 1 over our determinant times our adjoint matrix. And we don't have to multiply out the 2, -5, -3, 9 by 1/3. We can leave it as is. So L inverse is 1/3 of 2, -5, -3, 9.